Nothing beats a good hot grilled sandwich, particularly on a cold fall or winter day. The one drawback is the time it takes to cook. If you're making a burger or a chicken breast, you have to cook one side, flip it, and then cook the other. It extends the cooking time. Much faster is being able to cook the meat on both sides at the same time. And that's where the Vevor commercial panini grill comes in. This is a serious piece of equipment that can whip up a hot grilled sandwich in half the time. While it's called a panini grill, you can cook much more on it than just sandwiches. Burgers, bacon, chicken, and even steaks can all be cooked on the Vevor grill. Even grilled cheese, vegetables, and scrambled eggs. And with twin full groove enamel coated cooking plates, you get fast, efficient cooking in half the time it would take otherwise. The Vevor Panini Grill comes well packaged and with all the tools you need to begin grilling right out of the box. My grill arrived by UPS pretty beat up and it had chocolate and raspberry sauce dripped on it. RIP to the candy or cake someone had delivered. But because of the excellent packaging, the grill itself arrived unharmed. As I said, it comes with all the tools you need to begin grilling right away. A pair of brushes, though I did notice some of the bristles falling off when I was spreading some oil onto the grill. A whisk, 2 cleaning pads, and a set of tongs. These were the one casualty of the shipment as they arrived bent. They're pretty thin though, and not as sturdily built as the grill itself. You probably have a better pair at home. The owner's manual is pretty useless too. It gives you no real instructions on using the grill, no troubleshooting tips if you have a problem. It's basically just the boilerplate that you find in most instruction manuals. But the grill, it's the real star of the show, and it really shines. This is a well-built, sturdy, and heavy panini grill. It's just what you'd expect for a commercial unit. And coming from Vevor, I'm not surprised it is so well constructed. I've reviewed a number of Vevor products in the past, and have never been disappointed. Every single one was a quality product. The grill is a stainless steel body, and the top looks to be powder coated or painted in some fashion. I did notice some ripple in the paint when the grill heated up, and think there may have been a scratch from the delivery company playing soccer with the box that allowed the heat to work its way under the paint. The grills are enamel coated to help with cleanup, and are 9 inches by 9 inches in size. That's a good amount of space to cook a couple of steaks, some burgers, and a couple of chicken breasts on. And as you can see with what I'm fiddling with here, it's also got a little drip tray to catch all the drippings from the meats and foods that you're cooking on the grill. As you can see on the left there, it's got a nice heavy-duty polarized plug that goes along with the heavy-duty piece of equipment you're using. Operation couldn't be any simpler. It's got the big power button you turn on, and it's got that thermostat right in the center so that you can dial in the temperature that you want to cook your meat at or your sandwich at. And it's got a conversion chart just to the left there that'll show you Fahrenheit and Celsius. And it's got a heat light that allows you to know when the unit's on, which all might explain why the owner's manual is so basic. It's pretty much plug and play, and it's very simple to use. The real key is how does it cook? And as you can see, I'm cooking some chicken cutlets here, and they're looking delicious. It cooked them up very fast. Normally a chicken can take 10-15 minutes to cook on each side, and this cooked it in just a couple of minutes. Of course, you have those big metal plates that sandwich the meat in between. And then here's the sandwich cut afterwards. Nice melted cheese underneath. Got some nice grill marks on the bread. And it was a delicious sandwich. This is a panini grill for the serious home chef or a professional cook. It's called a commercial panini grill. So it can be used in a business. I guess it'd be a lower volume business since it's only got the one griddle, but it has that capacity to it. I mean, you can tell it's a quality product. It's heavy duty. It's heavy, and but it's really well built. Made a great sandwich, and cleanup was a little tough. I found that, with those slotted grills that I even have like a cast iron pan like that has that, and I actually don't use it so much just because it's such a pain in the neck to clean. This was a lot easier than that pan is, but still getting in between all those slots, it takes a little time to clean. Otherwise, worked flawlessly. Heated right up, got real hot. I actually cooked my chicken on there because it's got the top and the bottom grill. You're able to cook two sides at once, so it's a lot faster. And then after assembling the sandwich, you put it on the grill, close down the top, and it gives you that nice grilled look to the top and bottom of it. So overall, like I said, it's a quality product for the serious home chef or the commercial application. Well worth the price. Okay, thanks for watching.